How to fix Roblox error code 404. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you getting 404 error while playing Roblox on your computer? That is indicating Roblox page cannot be found or no longer exists. So let's go ahead and fix this error. First of all, you need to try clearing the Roblox website data from your browser. Open your browser, click on the three dots in the top and then go to Settings. From here, click on Privacy and Security and then click on Delete Browsing Data. Set the time range and then check the boxes that you prefer and then click on Delete Data. Simply go ahead and try uninstalling and reinstalling Roblox. Click on the search bar in the bottom, type in Add or Remove Programs, simply launch it, then scroll down and search for Roblox. Tap on Roblox and then tap on Uninstall. Click on Uninstall again to confirm your decision and you'll be done. Now try reinstalling Roblox. Go to roblox.com in your browser, click any game that you'd like to play, and when the pop-up window appears, click on Download and install Roblox. The installer will start downloading. And once the download is finished, open the Roblox Player Installer.exe, and the installer will start installing Roblox on your computer. Wait for the installation to finish and open Roblox and see if the error is resolved. You can also try checking your internet connection. If you're still encountering the error, it could be a network issue. So make sure that your internet connection is working properly, and if not, contact your internet provider for assistance. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.